Welcome to VALROC Development Ltd, your reliable partner for all your construction needs. Whether it's your residential, strata, or business, we're here to make your project easy and stress-free, with a track record and quality you can trust.
My name is Dominic Srirachi, and I am the president and owner of VALROC Development. The key thing for us is reliability. Our customers know they can rely on us to provide a construction service and a quality outcome that we have done for a number of years.
Don't just take our word for it. Hear what our clients have to say.
Highly recommend, yeah.
We wouldn't hesitate to recommend VALROC.
Great experience. All three of the projects that we've done.
Please reach out to VALROC.
Don't see that quality of workmanship anymore.
Definitely be coming back to VALROC.
Customer service, you guys are phenomenal.
VALROC will be the company for you also.
We reinvest into our company, machinery, and our staff, offering an unmatched diversity with our in-house contracting services, making it possible for us to take on a wide range of projects at the same time staying competitive in the market.
Our clients trust us because we've worked in almost every municipality in the Lower Mainland. We know the local building codes and bylaws, keeping your project on track, on time, and on budget. VALROC is extremely proud to also offer complete building packages designed around our customers' needs, with detailed contracts, excellent craftsmanship, and award-winning customer service. You will find you are in very capable hands with VALROC.